Welcome to Ready, Set, English. Today we're going to make Easter eggs. Welcome to Ready, Set, English. So I made these with an Easter decorating kit called Galactic Space Eggs. But today we're going to try and make some with food coloring so you can make them at home. So we're gonna need, first of all, a pair of gloves. Okay, I'm gonna start putting those on. And then you're going to need white vinegar. Okay, it's like the vinegar that you would normally put on salad, but this one is white. It's usually used for cooking, okay? It's important that it's food coloring that you can eat, okay? And then we have boiled some eggs and we have some ready. Okay, so they're cold. We're gonna put them here. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get your 3 cups ready, or as many cups as you would like to have colors. And you're going to put some drops of food coloring. I'm going to do yellow, okay? And I'm also going to add red and blue. As you can see, my hands are already getting food coloring on them. To make my eggs 2 colors, so I'm going to fill the cups only a little bit. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the eggs and I'm just going to put it in. Okay, that one is going to be completely blue, as you can see, because there's a lot. Okay. There is also a tool that comes in some of these kits called an egg dropper. I'm going to take out the egg dropper from this kit, and it has this thing called an egg dropper. So the egg dropper, you put the egg and it helps you to lower it so the whole egg doesn't get the color. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it like that. Okay, I'm using an old wooden cutting board just so I don't make a mess in the kitchen. And now I'm dipping the egg in the yellow color. Now these are brown eggs, and if you can get white eggs, it's better because they're easier to dye. But as you can see, it's getting the color. Maybe not the yellow. If not, we'll just try it with the blue. Okay, so we've cut the cups to make it a little bit easier. These are just plastic cups. And I mixed the yellow and the blue. And I'm just going to add some green here to that egg, and see, it's a little bit more shallow, so it's going to be a little bit easier. This one is supposed to be purple. Let's see. Okay. And let's check on our blue egg. Wow. There we go, that's a really blue egg. Now, you can see that where I've touched it with my fingers, I've taken away a little bit of the shell, but we're gonna put it here to dry, hopefully. And we're gonna try putting a little bit blue here, and taking another egg, and dipping it, so that you can see that you can get more and more color. Now, if you don't have food coloring or a kit, okay, so if you don't have a kit like this and you don't have food coloring, okay, you can also make natural dyes with fruits and vegetables, okay? You would need to mush fruits and vegetables that have a lot of pigment, like blueberries, beets, make a nice red purplish color, carrots could make an orange color. And you would do the same thing. You would use the vinegar, okay? But we're using regular food dye. You can see that the purple is starting to look really nice. I'm going to let this egg dry a little bit before I put it in another color. And now we have a blue one that is like half blue and half light blue. And we're gonna try to do it half purple. The important thing is to make sure that you wear gloves because the food coloring stains everything, and also the vinegar is very acidic and it's not good for your skin. Okay, so here is like our sunrise egg. It has different colors. I'm gonna put it in the yellow again. Okay, so we have here green. And see, the thing is if you let it sit all the way at the bottom doesn't get any color. That's okay. We're gonna now go to red.